been a while since I've done one of these, and somebody has also requested an update on how I keep my kids entertained when we are on the go. And that of course is with restaurant kits, so I'm gonna refill them with some fun things today. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and my restaurant kits, these little boxes of activities, are long overdue for a major haul. We went through the whole holiday season and Christmas and everything and used everything up inside of here, and I've been really bad about refilling them, so I need to just revamp them. Now this isn't just for restaurants, that's what we use them for. It can be for going to the doctor, going to a trip, road trip, I don't know, wherever you go that you need just a little box of goodies and stuff for your kids to do to keep them busy and occupied for a little bit of time. I even know people who'll use these when they're just cooking dinner or something like that. But for us, we mainly use them for restaurants. And one of the most often asked questions I get is, where do I get these kits? Now I use this box. I love this box because it has a handle, it's hard case plastic, and I can fit quite a bit in here. You can use anything, a backpack, a book bag, anything that you have, really. But if you're interested in this case, I have started an Amazon store where I'm going to put all the things that I like and have really loved throughout the last couple of years into one place. So I'm going to put a link in that little Amazon store where you can get these if you're interested, or you can buy them at Daiso Japan, which is a Japanese dollar store. They're not located everywhere, and everybody keeps telling me there's not one by them, so that's why I'm going to put it in the Amazon store. So check out that link down below if you are interested on where to get these. So it's important for you guys to know that I have two girls, ages 4 and 6, but that doesn't mean you can't adapt the things that I do in here if they're more girly to a more boyish thing if you wanted to. Most of my activities aren't very, gender oriented, but if that is something that it concerns you, then you can definitely adapt it. So first things that I do is I empty out my boxes out of all the old stuff. I have this coloring book here that's about half used, so I'll probably save this for next time. And some sticker books and stickers, which is all that is left inside of here. So I'm just gonna pull it out for now. Sometimes people ask me what I use these little blank books for, and here is just a really good example of my 4-year-old drawing, writing letters, putting stickers in. Here she made a whole scene with stickers. The act of taking off stickers and putting them on the sticker sheet is actually very beneficial. So it's great, another fine motor skill to put them on, but they'll just use them in all kinds of different ways, and they'll fill up the books with random drawings and numbers and writing practice. So these work really well for us. They're at Target. You can get them right now. Everyone asks me where I get them. Get them at Target. About 8 of them for maybe $3. So I usually stock up. So this one is pretty much done. I'm gonna see if this other one that was in there, lots of stickers. This one's pretty empty, so we'll just keep this one and continue to use it. And then she still has a couple of sticker sheets left, so I think she's probably good for now with these that I have left in here. If you didn't know, I'm on a sticker ban, so it's my mission to use all the stickers that we have, and I'm almost done. I can't believe it. In addition to these sticker sets, I did want to add some alphabet stickers, so these are partially used, but I'm going to put them in here too because she's been really going through them. This little workbook came from the Dollar Tree. Really simple concepts and easy. Usually on the restaurant kits, I try to keep a couple of light things in there, meaning things that they've already mastered or kind of know, just so that they don't get frustrated, because it's just supposed to be fun. But this little workbook is a really nice one. It has a whole bunch of different activities and stickers, things that you can do, all regarding shapes, and they don't take very long to go through these, so I'll probably have it in here just for a week or two before it's done. So $1 from Dollar Tree, we'll put that in there. And then something new that I wanted to try this year, this is also from Dollar Tree, and it is a sticker rewards set. And over here you have your little chart, and over here you have your stickers. I'm not going to put all of them in there. I'm actually going to pull out one because I want to use this for new foods. If you've watched my channel throughout the years, you will know that we have a picky eater in our house, and I just think it might be very fun to try keeping one of these in her little restaurant kit with some stickers that she can put on each time she tries a bite of different food that she hasn't tried before. So we're going to keep this together and see if that actually works out. I'm actually very excited to see if that works. So I'll have to let you know. So I'm just gonna put on here new foods, and then she can keep her stickers on her chart. Also for my 4-year-old, I think I'm gonna put in this busy bag. Inside here, I have one of the Target Dollar Spot busy bag activities. This one was for the days of the week. So here is a card here, and you can match up the days of the week to the clothespin in the card. And we're just gonna start introducing these words because she's not too familiar with them. She knows they exist, knows what they are, but she hasn't seen them in writing yet. So this might be fun to go over a couple of times with her while we're sitting there being patient. Plus the clothespin is a great fine motor exercise too, and I like that it just fits really flat in here. This was $1 at the Target dollar section. I haven't seen them recently, but it's something that you could also make very easily on your own. I also want to include one of these really fun pens. These are at Target Dollar Spot right now, not in the same style, but the same kind of thing where you push down the color on the pen. I just like it because there's all different colors in one, and I don't have to worry too much about it, and it fits very well in there. So she can draw with that. Plus, she likes crayons, and so we'll put those in there for her too. This case came from Daiso Japan, but you can find all kinds of cases and pencil pouches that will fit very well too. Something new that I want to try is putting in this dry erase board, which is also magnetic. This came from Daiso, but I've seen them at Dollar Tree too. And then I'm going to pull out some magnets. These are all sets. It's in one big case. I put them in the case. The case came from Walmart. And inside I have magnets that came from Dollar Tree. These all came in sets. In fact, I have a whole video. I'll have to remember to put it down below in the links, but I have a whole video on how to use these magnetic word tiles. This is about 4 different sets, I believe, and each set had a different theme. But if you watch that video, you'll learn all about that. So I'm going to pull out some magnets, and I think I want to pull out down here. These are the color magnets, so the word. And I'm also going to pull out the actual shapes that they match. You could put these in a separate bag if you wanted to, but I'm just going to keep them on my magnetic board. So down here I have all of my colors, and then it becomes a matching game. So she'll just have to match up the correct magnet to the correct color name. This will stay on here because it's magnetic, but like I said, you could put it in a little baggie if you're concerned about the little pieces going everywhere. But also might be cool if you want this to be permanently a magnet, you could probably super glue that to your case and have a magnetic dry erase board in there too. So I'm going to put this one because it's the biggest on the bottom. All right, so we have our magnetic and dry erase board. Oh yes, and because it's a dry erase board, I'm also going to put a dry erase marker in there in case she would like to draw. This one has a little eraser on the top, so that will be very helpful if she needs to erase. All right, magnetic dry erase board with a dry erase marker and her color words and color shapes. She's got her workbook that she can use, plus a pen. She can pick the color. She also has her sticker book, blank book with stickers and crayons if she wishes to use crayons. Her new foods eating chart and her calendar busy bag. And then the true test, does it fit? It does. She's also decorated it with stickers. Moving on to my 6-year-old's box. Empty out all of the old stuff first. She also had a coloring book. We'll save for probably next Christmas. And this kindergarten fun workbook was also in here, and she's still working on it. This one came from Lakeshore Learning, I believe, and it's just got some really great skills in here. And I like it because of the variety. So it's not the same activities over and over again. Each page has something just a little bit different, and it gets progressively harder as you go through. Also came with some stickers. And then her colored pencil. She's a huge colored pencil fan. All right, so these are all the things I'm gonna keep in the box. I'm gonna add in another workbook similar to the one with her sister has, but this one is all numbers from the Dollar Tree as well. And then her regular kindergarten book from Lakeshore Learning. Her blank book, just like her sister, she kind of has 2 that she's working on, and then some stickers. This is her only sheet left, so I'm gonna give her some more. Let's do some really colorful unicorns and owls. I want to also give her a multicolored pen. She had these glitter pens in here for a while, but since I'm putting this pen in this time, I'm going to take these out. And I'm probably going to keep the colored pencils in there, and because they need sharpening, as we've so found out, I need to put a sharpener in there. Some alphabet stickers. Sometimes we do her math homework when we're out to eat too, and I'll usually take that with us, and we need a pencil. So I'm going to slip a pencil in there in case she needs to do some math homework. She is also going to get a new foods chart. She's really, really good at eating new foods, so I'm not concerned about her. However, if she has one of these and she's doing it, her little 4-year-old sister is probably going to want to do it too. So if we do it all together, chances are we'll be more successful. I'm also going to do a magnetic board for her as well, once again from Daiso or the Dollar Tree, and this time I'm going to use a different set. This is the first magnetic storyboard. This came from Lakeshore Learning, and inside there's all these magnet tiles in here, and there's also a magnet board itself that's kind of too big. So what I'm going to do is, because she's been working on sight words, I'm going to pull out some sight words that she can recognize and recall, and then also to build sentences with. Okay, so what I did is I pulled out some verbs and nouns and then some pictures to go along for the subjects plus a period, so she can make some really, really simple I sentences. So I like a kite, I have a pizza, and so on and so forth. Really, really simple sentences with some sight words that she has right now. And once again, it's magnetic, so she can move around the pieces to wherever she wants to put them. Okay, and I think hers is totally full now. There we go. I am constantly trying to find new ideas to put inside these little boxes. So please, if you have any suggestions of things that you found that work really well to keep kids entertained, let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas, and I might just feature them in an upcoming video. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.